Welcome to the future of cooking with GoodBytz, the robotic kitchen system designed to transform your culinary experience. Imagine a world where meal preparation is no longer a chore but a seamless, enjoyable process handled entirely by a smart, precise, and efficient robotic chef. GoodBytz combines cutting-edge robotics with intelligent software, enabling it to perform all the cooking tasks you'd typically do yourself. Whether it's chopping vegetables, mixing ingredients, or sautéing to perfection, this kitchen companion delivers flawless results every time. Here's how it works. Start by choosing from an extensive recipe library tailored to a variety of tastes and dietary preferences. From classic comfort foods to exotic international dishes, GoodBytz has it all. Once a recipe is selected, simply follow its intuitive setup instructions. The system takes over from there, measuring, cooking, and plating with precision that rivals professional chefs. What sets GoodBytz apart is its integration with smart features. Its ingredient recognition technology ensures you're always using the right quantities and combinations. The system connects to a mobile app, allowing you to monitor progress, make adjustments, or schedule meals even when you're away from the kitchen. This connectivity makes GoodBytz perfect for busy individuals or multitasking families. Beyond functionality, GoodBytz shines with its sleek, modern design, fitting effortlessly into any contemporary kitchen. It's compact yet powerful, combining advanced robotics with durable materials to ensure long-lasting performance. With GoodBytz, you're not just saving time, you're elevating your lifestyle. No more stress over meal prep or cleanup. Instead, enjoy consistent, high-quality meals prepared with care and precision. GoodBytz isn't just a gadget, it's a culinary revolution, bringing professional-grade cooking into your home. Rediscover the joy of dining with every dish. GoodBytz, where innovation meets flavor. Introducing the Ryse Aero Tech Recon, the future of personal aerial transportation. Designed with adventure enthusiasts and forward thinkers in mind, this revolutionary eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, vehicle is transforming how we explore the world. The Recon stands out with its compact, ultralight design, enabling riders to soar effortlessly through the skies without requiring a pilot's license in the U.S., thanks to Part 103 ultralight vehicle regulations. Its intuitive, joystick controls make flying as easy as driving, offering an unmatched sense of freedom and accessibility. Powered by a state-of-the-art electric propulsion system, the Recon boasts a zero-emission operation, making it environmentally friendly. With a flight time of up to 25 minutes and a range of approximately 15 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for short, exhilarating trips or inspecting remote areas. The swappable battery system ensures quick turnaround. For extended use, built with safety as a priority, the Recon features redundant motors, advanced stability controls, and a lightweight yet durable frame. Its rugged, all-terrain capabilities allow it to launch and land in a variety of settings, from open fields to unpaved roads, catering to recreational and professional users alike. Whether you're a farmer inspecting fields, a first responder reaching inaccessible zones, or an adventurer seeking new heights, the Ryse Recon redefines mobility. Experience the thrill of flight with confidence, sustainability, and innovation. The sky isn't the limit anymore. With Ryse Aero Tech Recon, it's just the beginning. Climeworks Mammoth. Leading the fight against climate change, Climeworks Mammoth is the world's largest direct air capture and storage facility, designed to combat the escalating threat of climate change. Located in Iceland, it represents a breakthrough in carbon removal technology. But how does it work? The Mammoth facility uses advanced direct air capture units to pull carbon dioxide directly from the atmosphere. Powered by Iceland's renewable geothermal energy, this process is both sustainable and efficient. Air is drawn into the capture units, where CO2 is separated using specially designed filters. Once captured, the CO2 is permanently stored underground through a process called mineralization. Over time, it reacts with basalt rock to form stable carbonate minerals, ensuring the carbon is locked away for thousands of years. What sets Mammoth apart is its unprecedented scale. With a capacity to remove up to 36,000 metric tons of CO2 annually, Equivalent to the emissions of around 9,000 cars, it takes us a significant step closer to achieving net zero emissions globally. Climeworks Mammoth also integrates seamlessly with Iceland's natural environment, showcasing the potential for industrial-scale carbon capture facilities to coexist with nature. This groundbreaking facility is a key part of Climeworks' vision to remove billions of tons of CO2 from the atmosphere by mid-century. By investing in such technologies, we are no longer just talking about fighting climate change. We're actively reversing its effects. Climeworks Mammoth proves that innovation and sustainability can go hand in hand, providing hope for a cleaner, greener future. Morphing wheel. A revolutionary leap in wheel technology, the morphing wheel represents a groundbreaking innovation in wheel design, combining adaptability, durability, and functionality. Unlike traditional fixed-diameter wheels, the morphing wheel is capable of dynamically changing its size and shape to suit different terrains and conditions. This cutting-edge technology is powered by a network of flexible materials, smart actuators, and sensors that work seamlessly to provide optimal performance. The morphing wheel utilizes advanced shape memory alloys and composite materials, allowing it to expand or contract with precision. When encountering rough terrains, the wheel expands to maximize grip and stability. Conversely, on smooth surfaces or tight spaces, it contracts, offering enhanced speed and maneuverability. Its embedded sensors constantly monitor the environment, sending real-time data to an onboard processor, which adjusts the wheel's shape automatically. The versatility of the morphing wheel makes it ideal for a wide range of industries. In robotics, it enhances the mobility of machines in complex environments, such as search and rescue missions or space exploration. For vehicles, it offers a safer and more efficient driving experience across diverse road conditions. Even in wheelchairs, it provides users with greater comfort and adaptability in urban or outdoor settings. Key advantages include improved energy efficiency, better traction control, and reduced wear and tear on surfaces. By eliminating the need for multiple wheel types, it simplifies logistics and maintenance, making it cost-effective over time. The morphing wheel is more than just a wheel. It's a technological marvel poised to revolutionize mobility across countless domains. From transforming daily commutes to exploring uncharted terrains, the morphing wheel is the future of transportation. Let's roll into tomorrow, where wheels are no longer static but intelligent, adaptable, and transformative. The Smart Nora anti-snoring device is a revolutionary, non-invasive solution designed to combat snoring and improve sleep quality for you and your partner. Unlike traditional methods like nasal strips, mouth guards, or invasive treatments, Smart Nora offers a seamless, comfortable approach that integrates effortlessly into your bedtime routine. It consists of 3 components: the Pebble microphone, an inflatable pillow insert, and a silent pump. The Pebble, placed on your bedside table, uses advanced sound detection technology to identify early snoring sounds before they become disruptive. Once snoring is detected, the inflatable insert, placed under your pillow, gently adjusts your head's position with subtle movements. This stimulation activates your throat muscles, keeping your airway open and reducing snoring without waking you up. The device's thoughtful features include adjustable sensitivity settings on the Pebble, ensuring it works perfectly in any sleeping environment, and silent operation of the pump to maintain a peaceful atmosphere. Smart Nora is compatible with all pillow types, whether standard, memory foam, or specialty designs, and its compact, travel-friendly design allows you to enjoy its benefits wherever you go. By addressing snoring at its source, Smart Nora promotes restful sleep, reducing health risks associated with poor sleep, such as fatigue, irritability, and even sleep apnea symptoms. It's a game-changer for anyone seeking a practical, effective solution to snoring that doesn't disrupt their natural sleep experience. With Smart Nora, you can say goodbye to sleepless nights and wake up refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day. Discover the soul-relaxing audiovisual speaker system, where innovative sound meets breathtaking visuals. Perfectly crafted for those seeking tranquility, this speaker system blends high-fidelity audio with mesmerizing ambient lighting to create an immersive relaxation experience like no other. The Soul system features 360-degree surround sound, delivering crystal-clear tones and deep, resonant bass. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or meditating, the audio adapts to enhance your peace of mind. Complementing the sound is a dynamic LED light display, customizable to match your mood. Choose from calming hues like soft blues, warm yellows, or a serene mix of gradients that flow in harmony with your favorite tracks. Designed with sleek, minimalist aesthetics, the Soul speaker fits effortlessly into any room, transforming your space into a sanctuary of calm. Its Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity ensures seamless streaming, while its long-lasting battery gives you up to 10 hours of uninterrupted bliss. Soul is more than a speaker. It's your gateway to relaxation. Step into a world where sound and light soothe your senses. Unwind, recharge, and rediscover serenity with the Soul relaxing audiovisual speaker system.